Hello, today I will be showing you the easiest way to make a thumbnail from a video using Movavi. The first thing to do is load up the video you're going to get the thumbnail from. I'm going to use a slide from the beginning of this video as it already has a title in there. When you're happy with the slide that you want, go ahead and delete everything that you don't need for the thumbnail. You should be left with a few seconds of video. When you have done that, go down to export and set it to the highest quality and check that it's set to MP4. Then make sure that you're saving it to the right folder. Now export the video. This won't take long because the video is very short. When it's done, go back to the Movavi suite and go down to the Photo tab, then Convert Images. When it loads up, go to Add Media in the top left and add in the video we just exported. When you've done that, go and select JPEG from the Image tab. Now you're all set to make your thumbnail. All you have to do now is go to Edit, then use the slide bar to find the frame that you want to use as your thumbnail. When you find it, simply click on the camera icon in the bottom left hand corner to save the image. There you go, quick and easy.